Okay, hello to the Sensor Group. This is a quick pre-segment on the market video piece with market analysis, and then the second segment will run through some of the stock selections. So, and I'm going to separate these two because of weekend events. So on the screen we have the broader Nasdaq. So let me open up this screen up a little bit. So the market per IBD is in correction. So it looks like August 17th is when it went into correction. I think on the 16th it was still under pressure. So this is the date it went in correction. So now we're looking for IBD, we're looking for a follow through day. So the IBD has two systems. They have the market school system, and based on that, Friday was a pink rally day. So the count starts there on Friday. So that would be day one, day two, day three, day four is when we're looking for the follow through day. So in this day, we didn't really have the volume, so so didn't qualify. And then day five, we have a distribution day. Day six, we had a little bit of a gap down, but that reversed, but again on light volume. So the other thing to note is that we are in this downtrend channel and the volumes can come off quite a bit. So this little rally that we had from Friday does not doesn't look convincingly strong at this stage, given the lighter volume, given the downtrend channel. So outside of the market school system, we'd be counting from the next day, which would be Monday. So that'd be day one, and then we have day two, day three, day four is a down day, and then we have the gap down reversal day. Yeah. So neither of these have neither market school or the normal IBD distribution day strategy has issued a follow through day at this point. So that's what we're looking for. But both or on either, it could trigger a follow through day any day since we have now past day four counts on both. So now we're in the kind of that sweet spot, day four through day seven. We could go out as far as day 11, that would still be pretty strong. And then after that, it starts to weaken. Now, countering that is going to be this downtrend channel, as I mentioned. So we kind of bumped our head up against the 50-day up here, and it came off it pretty hard. So we are below the 50-day, which is a negative, confluencing with this downtrend channel. We are above the 200-day. So this at this stage would be construed a healthy kind of pullback slash correction. And off the peak here, then we are currently we're now down to just 6% off the peak. At the lows, we were as low as just over 8%. So down to 8% is kind of is definitely a correction territory. Within 5%, it's kind of a more of a pullback. So the next few days will kind of tell us which direction we go. Now, so if this rally day holds and we get a follow through day, then obviously we're back into an uptrend. Then we're looking to take these highs up here. If we've already kind of failed once at the 50-day. If that continues to fail and we travel on down, next stop is the low of the rally day, followed by the 100-day. And the chances are that we will get into this zone here, which is a key support area. So we'll look to see if the market can turn around there. If it can't, then we're testing the 200-day, see if we can get support there. And then worst case would be we drop below that, in which case we're into a bit more of a deeper correction going on. So all paths are open and we just have to keep an open mind. The other thing that I was looking at was IBD themselves don't really bother counting distribution days once they start month of the market in correction, because their focus now is psychologically to switch to looking for follow through day. But it is interesting to note distribution days while we search for that follow through days, because the more of those that pile up may suggest that that follow through day is going to be weak and or may fail. So that's one of the reasons why I kind of continue to look at that, and then also want to look at the volume as well. So those are kind of things that we want to look at in conjunction with market action. We want to look at what leading stocks are looking like, and so that would be the subject of the second part of the video, which is, well, I'll be saying that the Sunday Night Stock membership. So I'll do a separate video because the list is still building up from the weekend from the crowdsourcing list. I have a list of stocks that I will add to that list, which is from a screen that I run when we're in correction. So that's the wrap up for the market review and things to watch out for and what for and look out for over the next few days. So key takeaways are we were looking for a follow through day. We're looking to hold above these two rally days, and we're looking to at least stay above that 100 day in the short term and get above the 50 day. So there's a lot to watch out for and look out for the next few days. If there is continued weakness, then we're looking to see where this downtrend may get support and get defended for a bounce up. If we break the 200 day, then it's a whole different set of targets that we need to look out for. And as mentioned, the other part of the picture is going to be what are the leading stocks doing and how are they faring as we come down in this market action. So that's it for this video. We'll see you next one. Goodbye.